Okay, I promise. I promise. I just gotta show you. Look at the giant snowman. He's almost touching the power lines. Like 2 inches away. That thing and this over here. That's a trip, isn't it? Oh! Thing's badass. And he's just about touching the lines. He's about 2 inches away. That thing's badass. Okay, okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, okay, okay, okay. Okay, we got the FiiO FA7 in the house. I'm going to take the plastic off real quick. Hold on just a second. Alright, plastic off. Same box as the FH5. I just noted that this is FA7. Same box as the FH5 though. Looks like it anyway. It's big. I'd say it's probably identical. This is a flip open, I think. And it is. Look at those. I chose right. They said, what color do you want? I think I'll take the red and blue, please. Go ahead and take this out. Same presentation as the FH5, which I like. It's very nice. You've got the hard shell case, and then inside that you've got the soft case. And then inside the soft case is, because those are tips, and that's a cable. Cleaning tool, and oh, this was the thing that I liked from the Advanced GT3, the cable snap. This is the way. I like that much better than Velcro. Cool. Very, very cool. Tips are same as you recall. You've got vocal ear tips, bass ear. Vocal ear tips are here, bass ear tips are here. Balanced over here, and then you've got memory. 3 types, and then you've got, I can't even read that, this one over here. You've got a good selection of tips. I was quite pleased with the FH5 selection, personally. Let's go ahead and move that. Push this out, push that out, push that out. Let's get a good look at these bad boys. Guess we'll do this normally. Cable is the same, or it looks the same visually anyway, as the FH5. Oh, those are nice. Wow. Hold on just a second. Okay. Oh. This has a very can see the tubes running from the drivers. That looks like a big bass BA right there. Take the tip off. No screen. Oh. Oh, sweet Jesus. There we go. Got those little minis right down there. Got a large one right there. Got the other ones right there. Hold on just a second. Okay. Let's get a little closer look. Okay, you can see the big fat. Though this is really well designed. Before I even listen to it. It's got the big low end driver right there. See the tube clear as day right there. And on the other side, I don't know if that's a cross network right there. You've got the other one right there running from a tube. And then right there you've got them. And there's no screen. So it's got three tubes and it's got 3 holes. Absolutely looks boss. Really, really, really nice. Gonna go ahead and give a quick listen to it. Wow. Now that looks dope. Just a second. Okay. Everybody knows that I didn't really get behind the FH5 almost immediately. I just thought that the vocals were too forward. Listening to the same music on the Sony WM1Z and also on the FiiO FA7 Gen 3, just to mix it up a little bit, these sound really nice. These sound good. Really stoked. What a absolute good day. I did not think that these were going to come as fast as they came. I'm going to do a full review of this set pretty quick. I'll probably do it within the next few days. I don't need that much time. I just need to make notes and double check stuff. Build quality is fantastic. The fit is amazing. I thought that the FH5s were a little bit too big for me and slid out of my ears because of the coating that they have that was like a Teflon. This has no such issue. This fits in very nicely. First listen, Led Zeppelin and Marvin Gaye, there didn't seem to be an emphasis really anywhere. Although there's a large BA, I was expecting a good punch. Just what is supposed to be there. So there's no overwhelming bass coming out, and there's no peak. It sounds more balanced than I expected, but I'm pleased with that because that's always the way I want to start out. Yeah, these sound really nice. They're just absolutely beautiful, man. Absolutely gorgeous. The evolution of a company that listens, learns, keeps getting better. You gonna let me still focus? No? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I think it's the Sony that's taking it away. Nah. Oh well. Oh, these are nice. Build quality is fantastic. Sound is very nice. It's hitting on all of the cylinders right now. Sound review will be coming. Also have the M6 by FiiO coming up. And also have a Campfire Audio Solaris, I believe it is going to be coming up. Thank you very much, Mr. Ball. Enjoy Hawaii. And then I guess I'll do a review of the WM1Z down the road. These are nice. Look forward to a review for these. Definitely coming up. And I'm out.